All right, this is Benja, Wild Point Contractors. We're doing a valve replacement. See how we're digging it up here. This valve is stuck on, and we've determined it is a faulty valve, so we have to replace the whole thing. As you can see, we start by digging out the valve box. Boom, she's out. We just gotta clear the dirt, dig her out. All right, real important when replacing a valve, confirm the way that water flow is flowing. See that arrow right there, it's pointing this way? That means the water is coming up like this. Do not put your valve on backwards, otherwise you'll just have to redo the whole thing. All right, just cut her out. All right, and then just like that, we reconstructed all this piece by piece. Put this on first, then the elbow, then this elbow, then this, then the coupling, then the extender, and then I attach it back here. Gotta take it slowly, one piece at a time.